Day 1 a.m. Thursday. Excuse me, I'm trying to do my job.
Mo yung guidelines anong binabasa ko. Let's say, for example, kung private.
Look at that cat.
The possibility.
Whoa! Hey, cat.
Starting today, only 3 Minneapolis beaches.
All right, let's get an update of your weather forecast. Oh, really?
Pazartesi günü yeniden görüşmek umuduyla.
Ensure the customer and worker safety. Starting today, White House Fruit Farm in Canfield is
de abandono. Gente.
Estamos com um visitante ilustre aqui.
Partly sunny with some sprinkles possible late. 56. Hey, look at that. My cat Charlie just.
Much money. The West Island SPCA says they need to. Oh, bless you.
It's been a week since I've seen her. Hi, this is my cat. That is the perks of working from home.
See you later.